Alright, so today we are doing a bit different kind of a video, and the plan is to compare different type of everyday carry package openers ranging from pocket knife to utility blades to the blades that you find in your Victorinox multi-tool, and we're gonna compare this heads on and I'm gonna give you my verdict, which is the perfect everyday carry package opener. Coming up in this video, let's go. Hi, my name is Ayan. On this channel I'll help you find the right tools for your daily life adventures, and one of my daily life adventures involve opening different packages, whether it's a letter, bank statements, things like that, even Amazon packages. I spend a lot of time opening them, and being an EDC enthusiast, I always look for the best tool to do this thing. For a longer period of time, I have been using my pocket knife to open these packages. I still do it every now and then because I carry a pocket knife every day with me in my pocket, and the major thing for a pocket knife is to open packages for me, especially the Amazon packages that I get on daily basis. But lately, because I've started spending so much money on building a pocket knife collection, these guys are no cheap any longer. So I have knife from all the way to $50 up to $300, $400. And one thing that I've observed is opening packages is not the best way to use this knife. At least they ruin the blade easily, and to be honest, I don't really sharpen my knife very often. I'm not the best when it comes to sharpening my knife. So what I've done is I have shifted to different kind of box openers. So lately I have been using my APX tool Rava for opening a lot of different packages, and there are some other tools as well that are dedicatedly used to open packages. For example, in the recent Victorinox lineup, if you buy Victorinox Companion, then there is a dedicated package opener tool that you find on the Swiss Army knife itself. Similarly, Victorinox also recently announced a lot of new Swiss Army knives coming later this year, and a lot of them have this dedicated package opener. I think this was the first Swiss Army knife. It's called Victorinox Companion. It comes in three different variant. This one is a New York variant. It also has a Paris variant. It also has a Sydney variant. And the different thing about this Victorinox Companion is it was more targeted towards women, and that's why it come up with a new tool. This tool is called package opener. It replaced the old can opener tool, and to be honest, this is one of the best tool that I find when it comes to opening packages. So we also gonna use this, and I'm gonna show you how it compares. And also on my Victorinox mini champ, which I have shown multiple times on this channel, there is a dedicated tool. If you look over here, I have shown this also in a dedicated video. So this tool is actually called orange peeler, and it's used to peel oranges and mosami and things like that. But I have used this to open packages, and a lot of people around the world actually has mentioned that it is a great package opener. It's really hard to get this on focus on camera, but that's how it looks. So I'm also gonna compare it. So looking at all the contenders of today, for the very first place, I have my CVV Para X Mini. This is my current everyday carry knife, and as I mentioned, I use it to open packages on daily basis. I am avoiding it lately, but yes, if it's still with me and I don't have anything else, that I use my pocket knife to carry packages. So that's the first contender of today. Then next we have my APX tool Rava. A lot of people have bought it, a lot of people really liked it, and as I mentioned, this is my go-to box cutter currently because this one has an industrial changeable blade that you can change it very easily, and it also do a lot of different things like bottle opener, you have a wrench and you have a carabiner, but today we are definitely going to be focusing on the package opener functionality. We also have Rava, but this one has a different type of a blade. So if you look closely, this one has a hook style blade, which I really like for some specific purposes. I'm going to talk more about that when we are comparing it. And next, as I mentioned, we have the Victorinox mini champ, and the tool that we're going to be using today is the orange peeler over here, and this developed as package opener, so we're going to be taking a look at that as well. And last but not the least, we have the Victorinox Companion with the dedicated package opener tool by Victorinox, one of my all-time favorite everyday carry companies. So these are the contenders that we're going to be battling up against, and the things that we're going to be trying opening ranges from simple letters, and yes, we're going to be opening these letters. Then we're going to also try some boxes, the cardboard corrugated boxes that are very much common when you order from Amazon, even when you order from APX tool. That's the box that we're gonna ship in. And then we're gonna open some random packages that you get in these sort of a sheet, and it's very famous, especially when you order from e-commerce store, you get these kind of packages. And also these kind of soft packages which you order from Amazon, you get it. And last but not the least, we have the most hardest thing to open. These are the plastic wraps, and to get the things out of this wrap, you actually have to cut from the boundary. And we also gonna compare how all the tools, all the contenders are doing in this department. So these are all the contenders on the left hand side, and on the right hand side, everything that we're gonna be opening today. So let's start from the very first thing, that is opening letter. And Let's start with our first contender, that is the Pyrex Mini, the CVV pocket knife. And opening letter is relatively a good test for any knife, because if your knife is not sharp, then it will not do good job. So over here, as I can see, this is a transparent letter holder, so I can see that I don't want to cut the letter, so I have to open from up here. So I'm just gonna protrude from here, and I'm just gonna open it, and as you can see, it's quite easy. And then I'm gonna keep opening it. I'm also gonna put my knife inside and then use the blade edge to open it like this. So that's one way to open the letter. And to be honest, pocket knife, they're not really great for opening letters, because you cannot see inside in most cases. This one is an exception, but when it comes to opening packages, it does a really good job. But when it comes to opening letters, you have to be really careful not to destroy the letter inside unless you can't see it. And if your pocket knife is not really sharp, then you cannot get in quite easily, because the letter is really small. So for the pocket knife opening letter, I will give it a rating of 5 out of 10. It's great if your pocket knife is sharp, but still I wouldn't prefer it on day-to-day basis. Now, talking about the Rava with the straight blade, it is an altogether a different thing, because these blades are the industrial grade cutting tools, and they do a really good job. They are full of high carbon steel, which is really great for opening letters like this, opening cuts. And as you can see, without much force, you can actually open it pretty well. So that's what I am using for opening letters these days. And to be honest, this is one of the best tool when it comes to opening letters. So any blade, I'm not saying Rava, any blade which has this industrial blade, the SK5 is a standard one, and which has the high carbon steel blade, it would be really easy to make straight cuts, and that's what you have seen over here. So definitely I'm gonna be giving Rava almost 9 out of 10 for this particular application. But if you use the Rava with the curved blade, this one is a hook blade that we use to in industries to cut pipes, PVCs and things like that, I don't think it will do a good job in opening letter, because again, it's a curved blade and it's a flat surface. So no, I would give it 0 out of 10. So that's definitely not something that I recommend to use for. But hook blade, it's one of my favorite. It's for a great application like cutting paracords, cutting pipes, cutting rubber. I think hook blades are really good, and we're gonna see that in a moment. So yeah, cutting letter, I would definitely give Rava with a straight blade 9 out of 10 and 0 out of 10 for the hook blade. Now let's look at how our Victorinox Mini Champ orange peeler do. So talking about the orange peeler, as you can see, it has this sharp edge over here and it has this sharp edge over here. I think almost till the hook one is there. So still, because it's a hook shape, I don't think it's very easy to get into the letter. And if you can get into the letter, you can definitely cut it, as you can see over here. But the problem is you might damage the letter inside. So for that only reason, I will give it 3 out of 5. So let me show you again. So if I want to cut over here, I have to get inside and then I have to pull it, and then I will get a sharp cut. But otherwise, if you don't know, if you cannot see inside, then you will definitely damage the letter. So for that only reason, I will be giving it 5 out of 10. So not bad, but still not the best. Similarly, for the Victorinox Explorer, the package opener tool, I don't think that it is great for opening letters and packages. Unless you can see inside, you will probably end up damaging the letter, especially if the envelope is really small. But similarly to this, if you can get inside, then you can definitely make a great straight cut, as you can see, without any effort. So definitely both of them will get 5 out of 10. Rava straight page will get 9 out of 10. This one will get 0 out of 10, and this one definitely get 4 out of 10. So that is the current verdict when it comes to opening letters and envelopes. Alright, moving ahead, let's look at the other common packages that we are getting these days, especially from the small small e-commerce packaging. So this one is the classic plastic wrap, and let's try with my pocket knife. And again, if you can protrude inside, then you can definitely easily open it, but don't expect a straight cut unless your blade is really sharp. And if the package is really small, then you might end up damaging the content inside. So definitely you have to look for something like that. But yes, if you can get inside, then you can definitely cut it very easily. So for that, I'm gonna give it again 4 out of 10. Similarly for Rava, it might be the same case if the envelope is small. But if you want to make a straight cut and don't want to get deep, then you have to cut it controlly and just make a small cut on the top, and then you can open it like this. I am not using very much force. As you can see, it's a very straightforward and very smooth. So that's what I use Rava for. So I'm gonna give it again 7 out of 10 for this one. And talking about the curve blade, this one can be a little bit handy over here. So what you can do is you can actually lift the package by using this curved end, and then you can make a great cut over here without any force. And the good thing about it is you can put up the curve thing and just lift the package up, so it's not destroying the package content underneath. So that's a good part about it. So for that, I'm gonna be giving it 7 out of 10. Similarly, talking about the Victorinox mini champ, this one is in the same realm. You have the hook over here, you can put it inside, and then you're gonna make a cut like this. So definitely not going deep inside, and you will not damage the content. And same for the Victorinox companion, the package opener tool. And I think this one is a little bit better with this one, because this one has this serrated edge, so you are going in steps, you're not going in one step, you are going in step, and that makes it better. So for the mini champ, I'm gonna give it 6 out of 10, and for the companion, I'm gonna give it 7 out of 10. And this one is a small package which you get in the plastic sheets. Alright, let's take a look at the next type of package. This is something that you usually get from Amazon, especially when you order books and small content items. This one has this sort of a corrugated cardboard thing, but the thing that you want to actually open is this tape, and this one is sort of let's say it's not a sellotape, it's more of a paper tape, so it's very easy to do it. So I think almost every tool will perform good with it, because you just have to make a straight cut. So there goes the pocket knife, and very smooth. And similarly on the other side, if you have to make a cut with the Rava straight tool, it's even better, and it's even smoother. No more force you required. Similarly on the curve blade, I think it's also very smooth with the curved blade, and again you don't have to worry about destroying anything inside. And similarly for the Victorinox mini champ, just have to go inside. But over here, as you can see, I have to put a lot of force over here. So this is the problem, because I don't think that you get enough edge over here to make the cut. So that's why you have to, it's not smooth compared to the hook blade. As you can see in the hook blade, this is also the sharp edge, so it goes on cutting the thing. But over here, you only get the sharp edge over here, not over here. So that is the problem, that we are not going inside. And last but not the least, the Victorinox companion. I have tried it multiple times. It's one of the best when it comes to opening such packages. Very smooth, and you can also make cuts on top of it like this. So definitely it's the best tool when it comes to opening such packages. Very smooth. Serrated edge makes it really good. So if I have to rate this one, I would give 10 on 10 to the Victorinox companion. I will give it 3 on 10 to the mini champ. I will give it 7 on 10 to the pocket knife, 7 on 10 to the hook blade, and 9 out of 10 to the straight blade in Rava. And that makes it the winner for this round. Alright, looking at the most common packages that we get these days from e-commerce, from anything that we order, is these sort of cardboard boxes, and this is the most common packages that you get. Now starting from the pocket knife, again it's very easy. You just have to cut the tape like this. The only thing is, if you go really deep inside, then you might end up damaging the content, but that's not a problem, because it's on the edge for this one. But yeah, sometimes I have seen some companies, they really pack like shit, and then you end up destroying the content inside if you're using the pocket knife. So for that reason, I'm gonna be giving it 7 out of 10. Looking at the Rava again with the straight tool, very easy, very smooth, straightforward, just a simple cut, and you will get the content inside. You don't have to worry about anything. But again, if your blade is too deep, I'm using Rava at level 2, but for this application I prefer using it at level 1, so I don't go deep inside and make the straight cut as possible. But this is where the curved blade shines, so you don't have to worry about destroying the content, because you will not go deep inside. So you just have to protrude it over here, and then it's a really smooth cut like this. And then you can make another cut from where the box is opening like this, and that will make sure that you are not destroying anything inside. So for that reason, I think the hook blade on the Rava is definitely a winner on this one. So I'm gonna give 5 out of 10 to the pocket knife. I'm gonna give 7 out of 10 to the straight blade Rava, and for the hook blade, I'm definitely gonna be giving it 10 out of 10 for this one, because this one is the smoothest operation I have seen. Talking about the Victorinox tool, it's also similar, because it's a hook type of blade, so very easy to do this. You just have to make a one cut. Sometimes it's end up going inside, but yeah, that's okay. It's not destroying anything, because it's really small. And as I mentioned, it's actually an orange peeler. It's not a package opener, but it's really great to see that it doubles up as a package opener. So again, I'm gonna be giving a 9 out of 10 for this one. And for this one, again, one of the smoothest operation I've ever seen is this one. The serrated knife really makes a lot of difference, and one of the best package opener Victorinox has ever made. For that only reason, I'm gonna be giving it 10 out of 10. Lately, I think this one is my favorite tool on the Victorinox, the package opener, and I'm looking forward to more such Victorinox knife with package opener tool. And this one makes the job really smooth. And let's also make some cuts over here. Let's make some cuts over here. If you want to open the boxes, then you can also make some cuts over here like this. Look how smooth that is. And similarly, you can also make cuts without damaging the content inside with the Rava hook blade. But yeah, definitely much smoother with this one. Much smoother because of the serrated edge of the knife. And you can see the cuts are really good. You can also make this cuts with a straight blade. But yeah, if you are not careful, you might go deep inside. So always use it on level 1. So let's compare it for that reason. And I'm gonna give it 10 on 10 again. This one is one of the wonderful tool, and I'm looking forward to more such Swiss Army knife with the package opener tool. I think this one is my favorite tool lately. Alright, let's talk about the last but not the least challenge. This one are the packages which are really hard to open. These are the plastic packaging. You usually seen scissor in such packaging and written that use scissor to open this, and doesn't make any sense. So let's start from the pocket knife, and I will not recommend using pocket knife over here because it is really hard to get in, and even if you get in, like I have made a cut over here, you can go deep inside. So definitely not recommending pocket knife for this one, and for that reason I'm gonna be giving it 2 out of 10 only. But yeah, if you don't have any other option, then you can definitely use a pocket knife. Talking about the Rava, it's the same thing. You just have to be careful that you don't have to go deep, but definitely you will be using less force than this. So use very less force, and then you can open it like this. So for that reason I'm gonna be giving it 7 out of 10, but don't go deep, don't go to level 2, don't put the blade inside, and you might damage the content. But yeah, 7 out of 10 for this one. For hook blade, it is a really smooth operation. So just I have to hook it over here like this, and then you can see with just one cut, and everything is so smooth over here. Just one cut, and I'm very much inside, and the content is in my hand. That was really smooth. So for that reason I'm gonna be giving it 10 out of 10. The hook blade by Stanley. So yes, Rava is also compatible with different blades. So the standard industrial blade, Stanley hook blades are really good. I will also link in the description below. So if you already have Rava, then you can also order the hook blades from Amazon. But yeah, for hook blade, 10 on 10 definitely. Now, comparing the Victorinox, the hook tool, I think that also does a really great job for the same reason, because it has the hook blade, and you can see that it makes it really easy. So that's why I'm gonna give it 10 on 10 again, similarly to the hook blade on the Rava. Talking about the Victorinox companion, I have tried it before. It works really good. As you can see, makhan ki tarah it's cutting. And the only thing over here is you are not getting the enough control, and you might end up going too much deep, which you don't want in some situation. For this situation I don't really worry, because this one is not something that I worry about damaging. But let's look again. So let me make you a closer look, because it's a really smooth operation. So just go inside, and then you're just gonna keep cutting it, and yeah, really easy. Within like 5 seconds you get what you want. So again, I would say I will give it 9 out of 10 for this round, just for the reason that you don't have much control how far you can get. The control that you get with this hook blade and the control that you get with this hook blade, you are not damaging anything, because this is a blunt end on both sides. But over here you might go a little bit deep inside, and if the content are sensitive, then you might end up damaging it. If I have to pick only one, then I will definitely go with the Victorinox companion. I think it's one of the best all-rounder package opener tool. And if you are on a tight budget, then definitely I would recommend pick up a Rava. There are only few units left online, so you can definitely order a Rava, and you can also get additional hook blade. The best of the both world will be if I could create one blade where it's plain blade on the one side and hook blade on the other side. That would be really good. I will look into it. So imagine there is a plain blade on one side, and if you reverse it, then you get the hook blade. I think that would be really cool to have. I'm not sure if it's available, but I'll definitely look into creating one in the future. Alright, so that was all the thing that I wanted to unbox and try all the different tools. Let me know which one is your favorite, which one you are using. If there is any other box opener, package cutter for everyday carry that I should consider adding it, I will definitely check it out. But before you go, check out this video where I showcase my latest EDC rotation, and check out this video where I showcase small EDC item that will definitely you will want to add in your everyday carry. But thank you for staying in the very end, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.